Hey everyone, it's Travis here at Four Seasons RV. Today we are looking at the Avenue by Alliance RV. This is a fantastic fifth wheel with awesome customer driven features. This floor plan specifically is a 38 DBL. Let's check out the basement storage here. What you got on the front, you do have this huge storage space that goes to the other side. The other side has your utility panel, as well as with the avenues you have these awesome exterior buttons to run out your awnings and your slides. Make sure you're not going to hit something in the campground along the way. As we come to the back, I want to show you this outdoor kitchen here. Don't forget to give us a like, follow, and subscribe. New videos coming out every Tuesday and Thursday. We appreciate it. Here on the back, you do have your exterior kitchen. It's going to come with a mini fridge as well as this wonderful griddle grill combo to give you a lot of cooking options out here. Additionally, on the back here, you also have an exterior door that does go to your half bath in the back bedroom. Next, we're going to take a look inside. Hey, as you come inside, you're going to be coming right into the kitchen here. First thing you're going to see is this awesome control panel that has everything clearly labeled for you, so you're not trying to figure out what switches are which. Additionally, on the Avenue, we always order ours with 3 AC units. So you got one here in the front bedroom, one in the kitchen, and then one in the back bedroom, and they're all individually controlled. In this kitchen, you have this awesome, huge countertop. Does have a solid surface countertop as well. All the cabinets have soft close hinges. All of the drawers are full extension, reinforced to hold up to 90 pounds. Additionally, on your stove, you have a 3-burner stove, residential size microwave oven, as well as your stainless steel farmhouse sink. Full-size refrigerator that is a 12-volt fridge, runs straight off the battery. As long as you're camping and you got charge in your battery, you're not going to lose your ice cream if the power goes out. Additionally, I am in love with this slide-out pantry that they've put in this. You have several shelves on each one that you can adjust for different heights as you need for different food items. Here in the dining room, you do have your freestanding dinette, 2 chairs, as well as a removable ottoman. Lid does lift up to give you a little bit extra storage, as well as these huge windows here to enjoy your campground while you're eating your meals. In the living room, you do have your 2 seat recliners across from your TV, as well as your sleeper sofa here if you need some extra sleeping room. Behind the TV, you do have storage space, as well as storage space above the TV, and then your electric fireplace. Let's take a look here in the back bedroom. In the back bedroom, you do have this awesome huge bed down here with storage cabinets above the mounted TV. Additionally, you have this loft space. It does have some extra storage cubbies up there, as well as this fantastic ladder that does pull out to climb up, as well as stow away to keep you from losing too much room. Additionally, in this back bedroom, you do have an extra half bath for the kiddos. You got a porcelain toilet with soft close lid, sink, and a nice mirror with that exterior door. Next, we're going to go up to the front and take a look at the master bedroom. All right, as we're headed up to the master, we're going to stop here in the bathroom first. I wanted to step here inside the shower to give you an idea of how big it is. I'm 6'1", and I have plenty of headroom here with the skylight. Additionally, you have a porcelain toilet with that soft close lid, towel hooks already here mounted on the wall, your medicine cabinet above your sink, as well as a nice little extra storage cabinet that you do still have access to in the master bedroom. Let's check out the master bedroom. Here in the master bedroom, you do have your dresser with hidden storage space, 4 drawers, and storage underneath for shoes. Next to the dresser, you do have this awesome bench, perfect for putting your shoes on in the morning, as well as it does lift up to give you some extra storage. For the bed, you're looking at a king-size bed with a huge storage compartment underneath the bed. Here against this wall next to your door, you do have the cabinets to get access to that storage compartment that I showed you in the bathroom with a few extra shelves there. Additionally, on the front cap, you do have this huge, awesome closet with a washer dryer prep on either side. If you like this unit, you have any questions, come see us down at Four Seasons RV.
Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins. KansasRV.com